Line and Marie, you just won your first match here at the Yonex Denmark Open. What do you think of your win today?
I think it was a great match. We played very well and kept to the tactics, so we're happy.
What are your expectations at this Yonex Denmark Open?
Well, before the tournament, we didn't know this pair we just met, and hopefully we could win that one and play against the 7-seeded Japanese pair.
Yeah, what do you expect of that match tomorrow? That might be a hard one.
Yeah, it might be a hard one. We played them 3 months ago. We lost closely. So I hope we play this as good as we did today. So then I hope we can win.
How is it to play here in Odense on home ground?
It's very good to be in Denmark and play. We're not used to that, and it's a great feeling.
Thank you.